So this is me, and I'm going to Mumbai for the first time, and that too alone. And yep, my skin is very oily and I have acne. I'm very insecure, but let's just move past that.
I'm at Karzat right now. I'll be at Dadar in about 2 hours.
So I have two main goals for my Mumbai visit. First is to buy a PC, and the second is to run my first 5K marathon. So I make my way from Dadar to Thane.
So currently, right now, I'm in Mumbai and I cannot navigate anything at all.
As I board the local, I get to the PC store, tell them all the specs, and book the PC which I'll be picking up the next day. And as expected, it was raining very heavily in Mumbai.
Yes, I am currently in Mumbai. I don't know if my voice is audible or not. I have not taken a bath, neither have I brushed my teeth. And I feel extremely unhygienic. My face is oily. It's kind of mess due to the rain. I've booked my PC though.
Doors will open on the left.
So after taking I guess two metros and all, I made my way to the dormitory that I was going to stay at. And this was kind of the most fascinating thing to see, that there was a playground which was filled with water, became a swimming pool, and there were kids playing in it. And I saw this cool lineup of old kind of jeeps there, which was pretty cool too. To complete the second task, I had to go to Decathlon, so there I go.
I'm completely drenched right now, even with an umbrella. And that's kind of ridiculous. I'm currently at Andheri West and I cannot find the exit. Literally, I cannot find the exit. So I'm at Decathlon and I was looking at one of these transparent pouches for the mobile phone and I figured out I've lost 400 rupees in cash. And that's kind of making me sad.
Then at Decathlon, I just roamed around the store. It was my first time at Decathlon too. So I collected my shirt and nameplate. But as I got out, I realized I had a paper bag and it was raining very heavily. So, not the perfect combination you'd want. Then in the morning, I made my way to the marathon. And I ran my first 5K marathon in exactly.
Time 40 minutes 57 seconds.
And I got the medal, which is pretty nice. Kind of the first medal I got for, marathons. I've not done any marathon since.
So finally, I've run my official first 5K. I've got the medal as well. And I'm kind of going to the railway station right now because no one is accepting the Uber.
Then I made my way back to the dorm, but I saw this, Oreo BTS metro there, and I actually was hoping to find the One Piece metro, which was currently running in Mumbai. That bag has all the parts, and that's just the PC case. I was at the PC store at about 2, and I had my train at 9, so I had like 6 to 7 hours to spend. So I just thought, okay, I'll just go to the nearby mall. And so I just roamed around the mall.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night under street lamp, red face flame by the light. I'm going away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away.
Then with again 4 hours remaining, so I decided to watch a movie. I chose Alpha because that was the only movie that fit in the time slot. Then after the movie, now I had a backpack, a trolley, and the PC case to carry. On top of it, it was raining, so I had to hold the umbrella as well. Of course, I couldn't have done that, so I asked the staff there to help me, and they very generously sent a person with me. I carried the backpack and the trolley holding the umbrella, and the other person carried the PC case just without an umbrella because the store is very near to the station. Then I stood at the station just waiting for a train. I was kind of afraid because I never carried, such expensive stuff all by myself alone. And this is me making my way back to home.